Yo, what's good with y'all?
Hello, motherfucker.
We back with the Wolf Among Us, and we've been through a lot in the last one. It just jumped off real quick. The prostitute lady with the rope around her neck, or the little trinket around her neck, got her head chopped off.
Oh! Somebody!
What a way to deliver some head, bro. Head on the front porch. It's crazy. We went ahead and went to the mayor's office, which was Crane. He acting like a little bitch. Oh yeah, and before that, we've realized that boy Bigby is a broke boy. Boy, he living in a motherfucking sardine can, bro. But anywho, man, let's go ahead and continue on with the story. All that introduction stuff, you already know who it is. If you hear, you already know who it is. So let's go ahead and get into it. Ladies first.
Did Toad say who was there? Was it the woodsman?
I don't know, it's possible. Whoever it was, it didn't seem like Toad was happy to see him.
Well, maybe Prince Lawrence can wait.
Yeah, he didn't see him. He could use some help, too.
Well, where to first?
Big, shit. Listen, right, there's a bloke upstairs going through all the woodsman's things.
You think he did it? What's her husband's name?
Lawrence. Prince Lawrence.
Man, I'm going to Toad. I don't think Prince Lawrence had anything to do with it. It'll be too obvious. Let's go see what Toad talking about.
Toad sounds like he needs help right now. We can check in on Prince Lawrence after.
Okay. I'm not looking forward to breaking the news to him anyway.
Not looking forward to it either. He ain't going nowhere. He drunk anyway.
And we ended up going out the window, and I landed on Toad's car.
You guys made a real mess.
Yeah, looks worse in the day.
Damn. Knocked the door off that bitch.
Hey! Wait here.
I shouldn't have said anything. I should have got his ass by surprise.
Shit.
Let me guess, he about to be behind me.
I'm sorry.
That's enough, all right? Just shut it.
Damn, he be going hard on his kid, man.
I don't even remember half of this shit.
You remember you threw him on the couch, you threw him over here.
Should probably get that fixed.
Man, you remember what happened, man. You whooped his ass in here, broke his jaw. He and that bitch giving out abuse. We about to go play therapist, bro.
Is that his son?
Toad's? I think.
Be nice in there, okay?
I'm being real versus nice, bro. I'm not a nice person. I'm not a mean person. I'm just real.
Hey, Toad. You in there?
Bigby! And Miss White. Surely you didn't come all this way just for my bother.
Nigga, you called me. Who that?
Sorry, Bigby. It's embarrassing to have to admit, but I thought there was someone else in Woody's place. There wasn't, though. Not when I checked. Nothing but a leaky drain pipe. Imagination must have got the best of me. So, you know, false alarm. Sorry for dragging Miss White into this, but thanks for coming. Much appreciated.
There was someone, but they took off when we got here.
Is that right? I guess your dad's ears have a year or two left. Haven't gone totally to the dogs, eh?
Bruh, you think I'm stupid, bro?
Are you alright?
He's fine, Miss White. Just stung his little toe. Better swimmer than walker, just like his dad.
Wanna...
So, I guess you'll be taking off now. No need to hang around here anymore. I mean, I'm sorry you came all the way here for nothing. But it was nothing, really.
I'll leave when I'm ready, Toad. I just want to check things out first. The longer you talk, the longer this takes, so just stand over there and shut up.
All right. I just don't want to waste your time, is all. Have a seat. Have a cup of tea. Whatever you like.
Oh shit, bro. I should beat your ass for dressing him like that.
Grown-ups. Am I right? Hey, you know what? Flycatcher said you had a pretty awesome insect collection. I'd really love to see it. Is it in your room?
It has a weevil.
Cool.
Why he dress him like that, man?
Just mind the upholstery while you're looking for nothing.
Yeah, sure thing.
Bro, don't make me turn into a bad detective in here and beat you up in here, boy. I'll smack you, boy.
How'd this happen?
Fucking hell. Damn thing must have fell off a table.
Uh-huh. The lamp just fell off the table.
Or the boy was faffing about, playing salts and swordfish. Who knows with the lad?
You think I'm stupid, bro?
Though most people think they are.
Uh-huh. How's it going?
Toad's hiding something, but I don't know what yet. Did the kid say anything?
No, nothing really. He was really upset, though, earlier. He won't say why. Something's going on.
Stay with the kid until I figure out what.
Toad, I'm telling you, bro, I will turn into a bad detective in here and beat you silly. Look at him watching me. Oh, you done fucked up now.
What happened here?
The poker? What of it?
There's fresh blood on the tip. I could smell it from the door.
I was poking the coals and it slipped a bit. Sliced up in my foot like a seashell. Looked like a shit ugly thing.
Sounds painful.
Oi! Don't you go mother henning now. The wound didn't sit very long, you know. Perks of being a fable, I suppose. And a frog.
Bro, you clearly lying and thinking that I'm a fucking fool. What's this on the wall?
I've really been meaning to clean the place.
There's more blood over here.
Oh? Really?
Yeah? Still fresh?
Well, like I told you, I cut me hand. Ran around like a tit trying to pick out a wrap. Must have got some on the furnishments.
I don't know.
If you're gonna say something, out with it.
Yeah, that's what happened.
Yeah, that's all. A little scrape.
All right, Toad. Whatever you say.
Oh my God, will you not make a big faff out of this? There's nothing to solve here, Sheriff. I'm telling you everything that happened. Why don't you believe me?
Cause you sitting here lying.
I mean, things happen, you know. No crime in a little accident.
I think maybe you're hiding something.
Hiding something?
Maybe. But, to tell you the truth, I don't know yet. But I know you're lying about something.
But I'm not...
You're just gonna make it worse for yourself the longer you keep up the act.
I'm not bullshitting you. Honest.
We'll see.
Bro, if I find out you lying to me and talking about you being honest, you got a problem, bro.
That more blood?
No, just a clean space in the dust. Did you move something?
Maybe one of Junior's toys or something. I mean, who knows? Okay, Sheriff, now what?
That broken lamp used to be here, right? Did Just tell me what happened.
Nothing happened, mate. Nothing! And why did the lamp have to be there, of all the bloomin' pointless inquiries? It's my own place. Don't you think I'll know what happens in it?
Because the lamp was always over here, Toad. It was over here, and now it's there. The space in the dust is from where you moved
I
it.
did some refiguring. Who fucking cares? Bloody hell, mate. Come on, get off with this.
Bro, I'm about to fuck you up in here, bro. Go back down here. Is there anything else down here? He been drinking too. Ah. What's this, Toad?
There's some marks here on the windowsill.
But like I said, Junior leaves his toys around all the time.
These don't look like they're from a toy.
Oh. Well, just last night when I'd come out, I was in a downright tizzy, mate, as you would be. And I plumb forgot the keys to this place. And I had to climb in through the bloody window.
Really?
Scared Junior off to death.
Think you're lying, sir. Tremendously. You're a terrible liar. But I can commend you on being light on your feet when it comes to the responses. What else is there over here? I didn't mean to go back down. I did not mean to do that. Stop looking at me, you weirdo. Let me talk to him real quick.
Place needs a bit of dusting, I suppose.
Toad, I know you're lying about the lamp.
The lamp fell is all. I bumped it. Coming in from the thing.
The lamp could not possibly have fallen, Toad. You had it plugged in over here the whole time. Someone ripped the lamp out of the wall and threw the thing. That's what happened, isn't it?
Nah, finish talking to him.
Look, you want me out of here, I want out of here. Just come clean. What's going on?
Place needs a little brooming, that's all.
I'm gonna hit you with a broom, bro.
What is it?
I know something's off here, Toad. And I know you know I can't leave until I find out why. So can we please just skip to the end of the page before I have to get mean?
I don't know what you want, Bigby. There's nothing going on. There's just nothing to tell. Look around the room and see for yourself. Everything has its explanation, you'll see.
Honestly, Toad, I don't know if I will. And I don't know if I've got the patience to reverse engineer whatever scheme this is.
Me boy's in the other room, Bigby. Come on now. We're friends, right?
Hit him!
I called you here.
Down, Jesus!
You're gonna tell me, right now, what the fuck happened before we showed up.
Bigby,
If it even has the faintest whiff of bullshit, I'm gonna...
Dad!
He should be afraid of me.
Bigby, is this really necessary?
Oh.
This is the job, Snow. You may not like it, but this is the job.
Dad?
Oh my god.
Take off your hat.
Look at that shit, man.
Bigby, you didn't...
He didn't. It was that butcher, a Tweedle, Dum D. You gotta strip them down to their johnnies before you can tell which is which. They come barging in, screaming about something the woodsman had. Or thought he had, I don't know. He tore up the place, beat me up when I said I didn't have it. I tried to go out the window, but he pulled me back in. It's been a hard morning, I can tell you that.
You know where the Tweedle went?
No, he didn't happen to mention his nightly plans while he was busy braining me. Sorry. I would have told you. I wanted to, really, I did. But he said if word of this ever got back to him, if he ever thought you knew, or Miss White, he'd come back and kill my boy. I even tried to give the bastard a coat. He wouldn't take it.
Whose coat?
The girl.
Dad borrows things from people who live here. Sometimes.
Borrows.
I don't steal nothing. Turn around here would astonish you, mate. I merely repossess what's been left behind.
Well, we'll be taking the coat now. If she has next of kin, family, anyone.
All right. Fetch him the fur.
Damn, thief!
Fine bit of dress it is.
And he hid it in the chimney, bro? That's how you know he a thief.
What is that?
No, I wouldn't wear it outside.
That shit probably might go for some loot.
Wait. It's an envelope.
Fucking hell, of course there is. For my luck, it's a map to some bloody doubloons.
It's addressed to Prince Lawrence. Do you want to try and give it to him, or...?
Man, I'm about to open this shit, man.
Don't make it a dilemma.
I'm sorry, Faith.
What could she have been sorry for?
I don't know. But maybe Lawrence does.
Look, man, I'm a detective. This is official business.
Well, it's been quite a surprising day for all of us, hasn't it? I'd see you out, but I'm afraid of dripping any more blood in the place.
It was very nice talking to you, TJ.
Thanks. See ya.
I guess he wasn't in there abusing his child. Guess the guy came in and threatened him, and he was crying.
I'll be honest, Bigby. I don't really know how to feel about what happened in there.
I don't care.
We got what we came for. Some information. He'll be all right.
So, the prince is now?
Lawrence's, yeah. It's our best lead.
Our only lead, really.
When you put it that way.
I ain't like the fact that Toad lied to me, bro. And I told him to come clean. We can't help you unless you come clean. You over here lying, bro. Look at me in my eyes.
I don't want to stay here any longer than we have to, so let's just pick an approach and stick to it, okay? Just humor me. Let's just keep our focus on questioning Lawrence. Where she was, who she was with, that sort of thing.
Bro, these question timelines or time limits are going by so fucking fast, bro. Like, I'm barely on the last fucking prompt before the shit almost is over with. Holy moly.
Can you hear me?
Hey, the door open. Go in. Let me guess, this boy dead. Yeah, he dead. Dead. Damn. I got a funny feeling. It's the girl, man. I feel like the rope on her neck is to keep her head in place. She faked her own death. I put bread on it. I promise you I haven't seen any gameplay of this. When she mentioned her neck in the first video, right? When she had that little thing on her neck and he was like, nice. She said, what do you think about this? And he was like, it looks beautiful. That lets me know that she probably was covering the neck mark that shows that her neck is cut. Just going based off the information I have, but I wouldn't be surprised.
Oh my god.
Hey, stay with me, Lawrence. Gonna be all right.
No. Let me go.
Shit. What is it that you're telling us? Bigby, water. Kitchen.
Dang, what she hit him with a fucking gun, bro? That shit big as fuck on the side of his head. Wasn't no fucking fable fucking weapon that she hit him with. Bro, come on. I'm being nosy and shit.
Did you find it yet?
I am. Chill, 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 chill.
If you have something to ask him, you should do it now.
Who did it to you?
What happened? Faith.
Bro, that was so lame of you, bro. Just say Faith did it. 3 letters. Faith did it. We know it's her. I know it's her.
Do you still have that letter?
Yes.
She probably did this shit to cover it up.
It's only 2 words, but he died without seeing them. I'm sorry.
Man, don't feel sorry, man. I know who did it. It's Faith.
We need to figure out what happened here and find whoever did this.
Faith did it. And then she made it look like she died, bro. Made it look like she was dead. She put her head there. That's why she said the head was placed here with such care. She did the shit.
The mirror showed me this. Maybe I should have come here first. It's sharp, and there's blood on the blade.
I just don't understand. Why would someone want to kill him?
His wife, bro. Duh, there's a reason.
Still a little sticky.
The stick is for the icky. Alright, let's go in here then. Oh, it's one of them.
Son of a... It stuck to the bed a little.
Ew. Ew, ew, ew.
My dearest Faith, I never meant to hurt you, and I cannot endure knowing that I have. This was for the best. I'll see you again. Love, your devoted Lawrence.
Hopefully they're together now.
About all we can hope for at this point.
They are not together. She is still alive. He may have killed himself. I don't know, man. But I know for a fact Faith is still alive. Because, again, Faith had that thing around her neck, man. And all of a sudden her head is chopped off, bro. Come on. Let's be real here. That's why she looked concerning when he said it was beautiful. So where did, if that's a bullet in the side of his head, like he got shot in the head, where is this knife coming to play? As you can see, there's a bullet. Yeah, the bullet went through his head into this and here. Come on now.
What are they?
Prescription sleeping pills.
That doesn't really help.
Mind your business. Look at this. See his bullet. It's a bullet and a gun on the ground. So why does the knife have blood on it? So you're trying to say that he cut her neck? I don't believe that shit. I believe Faith did this shit.
Fingerprints?
They'll be on the grip and the trigger.
Let me grab this too.
Matches the caliber of the gun on the floor.
Alright, what else? Is there something over here? No.
Dusty. No one's read these in a while.
What else, bro? What else y'all want me to do? Oh, shit!
Stay here!
Who that big tank, wide load ass dude?
Hey! Stop! Leave me alone!
Thought that was gonna stop me? That ain't either. That ain't either. Now I'm gonna beat your ass even worse. I heard the door close. Oh. Ha. Ha ha. Ah, shit. He thought he juked me, man. I heard the door close. That's what you get for being a fat boy. This nigga doing it all, man. Employee of the year.
Hey!
I was about to say, he about to hit it on you again, Bigby.
Ease up, Bigby. We're on the same side here.
You son of a bitch. Make me run after you. Why did you run?
What?
Why did you run?
Fuck, man. Because you chased after me. The fuck was I supposed to do?
A man's dead.
I know how it looks, but I had nothing to do with that.
Then who did?
Look, I was just asking him about the girl, that's all. When I mentioned her being dead, he freaked out. I figured someone had told him. How was I supposed to know? Shit. Fucker shot himself right in front of me. I couldn't stop him, man.
Look at them hands.
You're looking for the woodsman, right? I know where he is. My guy says he's holed up at the trip trap. We can go over there right now, the both of us. My employer's looking to ask him a few questions too.
I don't trust him, bro. He looks smug as fuck.
What were you doing back there?
Checking out the guy who was married to the girl. Seemed a good place to start. Tracking down leads.
What kind of leads?
Oh, I can't tell you that. It's confidential. Sorry.
You
Sure
better hope I don't hit you.
understand.
Nope. Can't say that I do. Come on, you're coming with me.
This could have been easy.
Don't worry. It still is. Come on.
Dumb.
Dumb? Yeah, it is. Look, it'd be much easier for you
No, I'm D. He's dumb.
Damn, with fists like that, man, Bigby probably dead.
He almost looked peaceful.
I should have hit him. Next time I'm hitting him.
to... Yep.
Except you're lying in a dirty alley.
Yep.
With an open wound on the back of your head.
Yep.
Man, just leave me here.
Just leave me here.
Come on, get up.
Cause I should have knocked this shit.
Guess we're out of options.
Dee mentioned the trip trap.
Then that's where we'll go. I'll call a cab.
If I see both them niggas, man, I'm getting in that ass. Oh! Yes. No, I'm not even gonna say no homo. We getting in that ass.
You're gay! He's gay!
Every time I think I'm getting a handle on what's going on, things just get more complicated. It feels like we're always a step behind.
The woodsman is the only lead we've got, and he was one of the last people to see Faith alive. Getting some answers out of him will start to clear things up.
I hope you're right. Bigby? Be honest with me. Who do you think did this?
I can't tell you.
I know it's still early, but I just feel a step behind. It's an uncomfortable feeling.
I don't know.
I can't tell if you don't know or just won't say.
I don't know. I think it's Faith, but you can't. I don't think Faith was the answer. That's who I honestly, genuinely think it is.
Thanks
I
for
wish
you.
there was... Sorry.
Snow kind of fine.
Go ahead. I didn't mean to cut you off.
No, it's nothing. I just...
Damn. Damn, Big B.
Seeing all this today, there are fables that are struggling worse than I'd imagined. We pay so much attention to the residents of the woodlands. You forget there's a whole community out there to serve. To have to turn to prostitution. I wish there was more we could do. This isn't how I thought it would be. But Crane runs things his own way.
You're doing your best. It's all anyone can do.
Obviously, you don't know what I do all day. Right now, I'm the gatekeeper, making sure none of these disenfranchised folks are, as he puts it, wasting his time.
You'll fix it.
I don't know. It's just a broken system. The fables who walk in through the back door like Bluebeard, we have all the time in the world for them. You try and come in through the front door, through the proper channels, asking for anything, needing help. Well, I turn you away. Now things are worse off than they've ever been.
Well, that's not true.
Right. We've had it worse, but not by much. Maybe this isn't for me. I thought public service was pure.
You should stick it out. There are fables that would give up a lot to be in the position you're in, and I think it's easier to change something from the inside.
You're telling me change comes from within.
Sure.
Not the advice I imagined hearing from you.
It's real.
I'm full of surprises.
That's real. Change do come within. You know what's good, and you already in there. You can
Maybe you should.
you can work from within.
Yeah, maybe I should.
Damn, Snow, you ain't gonna come with your boy?
Bigby. Just be careful, please.
The same goes for you.
I will.
I know you wanted to hear that, baby. I know you wanted to hear that. I know I messed up when I was beating on Toad, but I'm a changed man. I'm a changed man. But I'm gonna put hands and feet on Tweedledee and Tweedledum. Tweedledee, Tweedledum, ain't that how it is? Whatever their names is, I'm putting hands on them because they got a lot of hands to spare. Them big ass fucking soup holders.
What do you want, Sheriff?
Ease up.
I was in the neighborhood. Thought I'd pop in and say hello.
Well, fucking hello. Now you can get the fuck out of here.
I didn't mean to do that.
Look, I'm not even gonna ask where he is now, okay? I just want to know the last time he was here. That's all.
Who?
I'm being nice, so try again.
He hasn't been here for a few weeks. No, maybe. I don't know. But yeah, he hasn't been here in a while, if he's been here at all, which... I don't know.
Don't let him tell you what to do. You're your own woman.
Well, this is me talking, Bigby. Fuck off.
Man, I didn't mean to answer that the first question. I didn't think he was gonna do that. I thought he was gonna be, smirk about it, like smug, like, yeah, I'm just in the neighborhood. But I didn't know that that was gonna be a fucking real deal answer that determines some shit. Cause I just would have just said it, I'd have just been like, yeah, what the fuck is the guy? But it is what it is, man. I'm trying to keep it 100% honest. And I guess that was a situation where they got me, right?
Come on. Have you seen the woodsman around?
I don't know who that is.
Big guy, beard, flannel, kind of a shitbag. Hard to miss. You sure you don't know him? Don't lie to me. It'd be bad for everybody.
Call me a liar, and it'll be bad for you.
I'll call you a liar again. You ain't gonna do shit to me, boy.
Let me solve the mystery for you. They're pickled eggs.
Oh, I know what they are. I'm just trying to figure out why anyone would eat this.
I know a lot of people eat that shit, man. Real life. Not me.
Damn.
But in the hood, it's a hood delicacy. Just let me pick that bitch up and hit him over the back of the head.
A lot of stools in this place.
But there's only one right next to you.
Yeah, do something about
order
it.
something, or you just here to bother my customers?
I gave her the money. That's why I couldn't get the
You
shit out
know
the
what I
machine.
mean.
Give me a Midas gold.
You want a lime?
Yeah, nigga, give me a lime.
Sure.
I think they have some at the bar down the street.
Think that's funny?
Yep. Think it's fucking hilarious.
You keep talking like that, you got to see me.
It was all right. This is fun. This back and forth. We should really do it more often. But, I'm starting to lose my patience.
Who that? Who that?
Ollie, you're out of paper towels and,
Look who it is. I should fuck all y'all up for that. I'm tired of niggas lying. Told, you, him.
Just gonna sit down without saying hello?
You and me been going at it for hundreds of years. I'm through fighting.
Well, Woody, that makes two of us. You're in luck. I decided to switch seats. Look, it's been a long fucking day, and I'm starting to get a little cranky. I've got questions, and I'm not leaving without answers.
Maybe he don't want to talk to you.
Why don't we let him tell me that?
It's okay, Gren.
Nah. Let that nigga get up and do some shit. You'll end up just like him. He got beat up by me. Bitch ass boy, don't ever put your hands on me.
It's funny. Just a minute ago, no one seemed to know who you were.
Yeah, well, everyone knows you. Big bad wolf. Well, I'm the bad guy and you're sheriff. What kind of fucking world is that, huh?
Come on, Woody. You know why I'm here.
You want to know what happened?
Amongst other things, sure.
It's funny. The shit you're willing to do for money. I'd walk past her place for weeks. She didn't look like it, but she had money. I was sure of it. And she wouldn't put up any kind of fight. I was gonna rob her. And the night I finally get up the nerve to do it, there you are, fucking things up for me. You were just in the wrong place at the wrong time.
What are you talking about exactly?
Red Riding Hood, her grandmother. I was there to rob him. But when I showed up, you were already there, lying in the bed. I only saved her because I thought she might give me a reward. But she didn't give me shit. Except a bunch of people thinking I'm something I ain't. I played along as I could. Only thing I managed to get from it was a free drink every now and again.
I'ma let him talk.
Lot of good that did.
I'm not finna glass him. He ain't do shit. That's being real.
Hey, stop! This isn't what I want!
Oh, shut the fuck up, Woody! Shit ain't just about you. It's about this fucking lapdog. Only comes sniffing around this part of town when the rich fucks in the woodlands need a shakedown. Ain't that right, Bigby?
Boy, leave me alone, bro. I'm giving you opportunity.
Holly's sister goes missing. No one gives two shits about her. Paperwork, waiting rooms, and that bitch Snow White looking right past me, then ushering me out the fucking door.
I wouldn't call her that. It's happened before, and it doesn't end well.
I didn't realize you were the bitch of the bitch.
You can take that, man. I tried to be cool.
That all you got?
Seemed to be enough.
Don't be so sure.
Oh, good.
The fuck is you? Motherfucking Sandman?
Should have walked out of here when you had the chance.
Scarecrow?
Come on. You're scaring the lady.
Don't worry about me.
A troll? Alright, it is what it is now. And you helping? Y'all jumping me? So y'all gonna jump the block? I'm about to turn up. He better tee up. Bigby getting his ass whooped. That's what I'm talking about. Turn up. Oh, he about to beat you senseless, boy. Oh, got them shoulder beats. Got them shoulder meats. I just got it 2
He's had enough.
I'm gonna be chill. I'm gonna be chill. I could have tore your shit off, bro. Remember that. I showed you mercy.
Whiskey.
The bottle.
Double.
Shit.
It's not like you were gonna pay for it anyway.
I would've.
Don't even think about it. Is this the type of treatment I can expect if I let you take me in? No. If you come quietly, you'll be treated with respect. But if it turns out that you killed that girl, well, you know what that means.
I didn't even want to fight him.
Alright, I got $100 for the first bloke that can tell me something about a girl named...
Oh, I'm about to fuck you up.
Fuck.
Bro, shut up. I ain't even take your arm.
Fuck, man! That's not necessary!
He can go. I don't give a fuck.
He's
I
the
don't
one
think he
you
did
want,
anything.
not me!
Your brother won't be saving you this time. Come on. You're under arrest.
I told you I didn't do it.
And you got nothing to worry about.
The only thing that the woodsman did was try to rob somebody, bro. I don't think he fucking did anything. I don't think he fucking killed the girl. I don't think he did anything. This nigga knows something. He punched me, bro. I gotta get my rematch, bro. You gotta see me with these fucking hands. You got plenty of hands. Might as well see me with them. Bitch, boy. He probably dead, man. Who's dead now, bro?
Do anything stupid, and I'll throw you down the witching well myself.
Damn, bro. Somebody dead. Oh. At my location? At my place of residence? At my sneaker shoebox? Oh shit. Is this girl? Bro, there's so much going on, bro. There's so much going on. Oh, it's that bad, huh? Oh, shit! Oh, I figured, bro. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Holy
We had
moly.
something very special.
Where's your brother?
Fuck you! Give me one good reason I should tell you anything.
Serial killer.
Oh my.
A serial killer? Oh God, and it's one of us?
Wait, the woodsman's still walking the streets.
We've got to put a lid on this.
If you can't manage it, I'll find someone who can.
I found out where she's been staying.
I know she's here. You must have seen her. What are the two of you hiding?
Thanks. Not saying anything.
Doesn't matter. Maybe you just want to punch someone.
did you do?
Friend on friend. At the end of the end.
Jesus Christ, Billy. Is that you?
The next episode called Smoke and Mirrors. Like it's gonna be a lot of smoke. It says, did you give Faith your money? It says you and 46% of players gave Faith their money. I should have kept my shit, you feel me? I could have used that shit to give me some smokes. Did you tell Beast the truth about beauty? You and 20% of real niggas stayed out of it. Man, stay out of it, man. Y'all all in the business, bro. Stay out of it. I ain't in it, man. My name Bennett. I ain't in it. Where did you decide to go first? You and 56% of players decided to go help Toad. Yes, I did. What happened to Prince Lawrence? You did not prevent Prince Lawrence's death. I don't give a fuck about him. I don't know him. 10% of people got to death. 12% of people chose to go after the woodsman. 16 got hit by Tweedledee, Tweedledum. 20% of play. I don't know what the fuck. I don't know who these is. It says, who is your prime suspect? You and 36% of players didn't say anything to Snow. Bro, I don't know. All this shit is fucking hearsay. People think it's the nigga with the fucking hat. Nigga, it's hearsay, nigga. I don't know. There's no definitive proof of any of these people. I believe it's Faith. You feel me? I'll be shocked if it's not Faith. I'm still gonna go with it as being Faith. Says, who did you arrest? It says, when it came down to the wire, you and 51% of players made sure Tweedledee didn't get away. Of course, because he got his brother to throw us a little sucker punch with them fat ass hands. All right, and that's the end of that. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and end it right here. We ain't even gonna let these credits play, man. I hope y'all enjoyed this, man. If you're new here, this is what you should do here. Definitely subscribe to the channel, man. Kick it with your boy. I love y'all. I love y'all. I love y'all. If you're thinking about subscribing, man, if you don't subscribe, man, I still love you. I appreciate you for checking it out and getting to this point. But until next time, I hope you stay safe and stay the fuck out of trouble.